tricep extensions or skull crushers, whatever you'd like to call them. Here's what we're going to do. We've got the easy bar. Typically it's easier on your wrist. You can also grab a barbell if you'd like, but you're going to have to be pretty strong for that one as well. And what we want to do is bring our heads all the way towards the end so that we still have support, but they're basically all the way back, right? And then what we're going to do here is your tendency is going to want to start straight up. What we want to do is come back about 3 to 4 inches here, so that's about directly over my eye level or slightly back from there. What that's going to do is right here, I have tension on my triceps to start the movement. I'm going to unlock my elbows, come down all the way behind my head, big stretch at the bottom, coming up right into that same spot. And what this is going to do is allow me to keep the tension on my triceps throughout the whole movement. Okay? We're going to go through just like that. Never coming here, never resting. Big stretch, up all the way, locked out. Big stretch, up all the way, and lock it out. Just like that. And with this movement, you're going to want to make sure you're good and warmed up before you attempt it, because it's slightly more strainful on the elbows than some of the other movements that you can do for your tricep, like a cable push down or something like that. Just to avoid injury, make sure you're good and warmed up. And then you're going to want to perform this one in the 12 to 25 rep range. No, nothing too heavy here. You don't want to do like reps of 5, sets of 5, or anything like that. And then you have 2 options. You can either put it behind you like this, but like that's kind of a big stretch sometimes for people. So what you can do is come here and to your legs like that. And that's the end.